There's an appeal this evening from the Western Regional Health Coordinator as shootings continue to drain the blood used by the hospital. Jamila Maitland has the story.
Gunshot victims continue to deplete the blood bank, according to Western Regional Health Coordinator Dr. Delroy Frey. He says up to 80% of blood in storage is used to treat gunshot victims, and this affects other surgeries.
When you exhaust your blood reserves, it affects your major elective cases. So that patient who have, major surgery like cancer and big operations, then it's going to curtail their activity because those gunshot cases consume the blood.
It's why he's urging the public, especially the victims of gunshot patients, to donate blood. The O-positive blood type is more in demand. Dr. Frey says the blood bank is also facilitating citizens outside of the general office hours. But aside from the depleting critical resource, there's another challenge: human resource.
We can't allow these cases to exhaust our resources. Blood is one thing, but you think about manpower that is, being stressed, both from doctor's point of view, nurse's point of view, and every category of the case. One of these operations can take you up to 6-8 hours in the operating theater.
The medical doctor is also appealing to the gangsters to think before carrying out their attacks.
Before you pick up that gun and shoot, think that you're going to stop that person from getting their operation. Think of your elderly relative who needs a cataract operation. Before you pick up that gun and pull that trigger, you say to yourself, oh, they might be affected in that way. Think of your relatives, think of your close friend. And I believe if you stop to think like that, it might change your mind in how you proceed with your action.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.